Your Galaxy S25 Ultra may fail to power on due to several reasons, including a completely drained battery, a software glitch that caused it to crash, or the device being stuck in boot mode. Sometimes the screen becomes unresponsive, or the phone freezes during startup, making it appear as if it's not turning on. These are the most common issues that can stop your phone from powering up or responding to key presses. If you have a problem like this, the first thing you have to do is force restart your Galaxy S25 Ultra, because this simple action can clear out temporary system errors that might be preventing the phone from booting normally. To do this, press and hold the volume down key and the power key at the same time. Keep holding both keys for about 10 seconds. If the Samsung logo appears, let go of the keys and allow the phone to finish restarting. This method works even if the screen is unresponsive or black, as long as the system isn't damaged. If that doesn't help, try charging your phone and performing a forced restart while it's connected to the charger, because the battery might be completely drained and the system needs power to recover. Plug your phone into its original charger and let it charge for at least 10 minutes. It doesn't matter if the charging icon shows up or not. While the phone is still connected to the charger, press and hold the volume down key and the power key again for 10 seconds. If the Samsung logo appears, release the keys and wait for the phone to reboot. If your Galaxy S25 Ultra still won't turn on after those steps, then it's likely that there's a hardware issue, such as a defective battery, power circuit failure, or screen problem. In that case, you'll need to take your device to an authorized Samsung service center for further inspection. If your phone is still under warranty, you might also be eligible for a replacement or repair at no additional cost. If you have problems with your phone, comment down below, as we might be able to help you fix it. Thanks for watching.